In front of us, we have the Fitbit Sense 2. As we can see, the screen is cracked on it, and we'll be replacing that today. All the parts and tools to complete this repair can be found in the description. To get started, we're going to use a heat gun set to about 170 degrees Celsius with an airflow of 50. We're going to heat up the screen and remove it. And we're going to use a pry tool to go ahead and separate the screen from the housing here. We'll first let the housing cool off a little bit. So when you're opening it up, you would want to, if your button's here on the right, you would want to open it up this way. Alright, so next we're going to go ahead and unscrew these screws to get access to the connector there. In order to do that, we're going to use a T2 driver. Alright, to disconnect the screen, we're going to take a plastic spudger, just like so. So here's the shattered screen. We'll set that aside. Now we're going to go ahead and clean up the watch, so any shattered glass and just the old adhesive that's left over before we put on the new screen. To do this, you can just use your plastic spudger and some rubbing alcohol with some cotton swabs or whatever else you have laying around. Now we're going to take our replacement screen here. We'll go ahead and connect it to the connector here. Now we're going to put the shield back on. So again, we'll take our T2 screw, put the shield on. And we would want it to sit into its spot here. There's a plastic tab there slightly, and it goes right here into that hole. Same thing on the other side. Now for the final step, we're going to apply an adhesive all the way around. But before we do that, we also just want to make sure that the screen here is nice and clean. So we're going to take some alcohol, a cotton swab, and just clean up the sides where the adhesive is going to go. This is just to ensure that there's no oils and stuff. Alright, we're gonna let that dry here. Now we're gonna grab our industrial RTV glue and apply a nice bead to make sure we get a nice watertight seal. We're just going to apply a little bit of pressure to get all the excess adhesive to come out. We'll just wipe up all the extra adhesive. We're going to grab a clamp, place it on there. Now we just got to wait about 24 hours for the adhesive to be fully cured. By then we'll just give it another clean over. And that's how you would replace the screen on a Fitbit Sense 2.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.